Welcome back, everyone. Happy Wednesday. It was beautiful outside the last several days, at least in Rockford and across most of the state line. We have seen temperatures top out in those lower to even mid-60s today. On Monday, though, the start of our work week, 62, that was 15 degrees above average, and today even close to 20 degrees above average by reaching a high of 64. We do have one more nice day where temperatures will make it into those mid-60s across most of the Rockford area tomorrow afternoon before we do start to see a huge drop in temperatures between tomorrow and then into Friday, and even more so as we head closer to Thanksgiving. We're down to 59 right now in Rockford, 57 in Rochelle, still have a few 60s, Galena, Sterling at 61, and then also Janesville up to 63 degrees. Weather watcher Bob on the southeast side of Rockford did not record precipitation today. Everyone was dry with sunshine, a temperature up to 60, dew point 37. Higher dew points, though, actually going to help keep temperatures probably right near that 40-degree mark overnight. Most of us probably going to see a few upper 30s. Some of us could hang on to 40 or 41 degrees. Beautiful sunset. We are starting to see some clouds work their way in. Over the next couple of hours, that's going to continue to be the case. Some lower hanging clouds kind of just developing on radar. That's for the most part just south of Cedar Rapids right now. Quiet on there until we head into Thursday night and Friday morning. That's our next chance of precipitation. Anything we do see going to be minimal with that, but clouds will increase overnight into tomorrow morning. I think we'll see a band of clouds decreasing, though, behind that for a brief period of time. So we will see some sunshine tomorrow afternoon. That'll help boost our temperatures a little bit before more clouds move and make their way back in here. We do sit under a mostly cloudy sky. Then Thursday night helps keep temperatures warmer than what we have seen. And then our next chance of showers. As you can see, as they move through the state line, do look to become a little bit more scattered to widespread for areas eastward towards Chicago, maybe DeKalb and McHenry counties. Could see kind of upwards of up to a tenth, maybe 2/10 of an inch. I think most of us are only going to top out at a few hundredths of an inch of rain. The better system and chance of rain altogether, though, that's actually going to hold off until we get into Monday, Tuesday next week. So that's that system Thursday into Friday along a cold front. Next system's actually going to come in from the south. Should bring some decent moisture with this, probably a little bit of a better chance still to our south and also east, but I do think we'll see some rain out of this. Could see some snow, though, also behind that with falling temperatures. That would be Tuesday behind that low pressure system. It'll kind of depend on the setup and how those two systems merge, but on Thanksgiving itself and as we head closer to Thanksgiving after that system Monday and Tuesday, I think we'll be dry at least for Wednesday and then into Thanksgiving. Friday, though, on Black Friday into Saturday, watching that system as clouds do increase, we could be tracking a system that brings cooler air, much cooler air actually, and a chance of snow. That would be on Friday into Saturday, but winds are also going to be pretty breezy then the next couple of days behind that first cold front. I do think during this time frame we'll have wind chills in place, and also winds are going to be on the increase out there as well. So that's kind of what the thinking is and timeline for Thanksgiving. Cooler temperatures by next Thursday. Until then, we have one warmer day. Even though temperatures do fall to 47 Friday, that'll still be near normal, actually a degree above it. We have the lower 50s for the weekend, and then temperatures drop off just in time for Thanksgiving, unfortunately.